So you got yourself a GoPro and you think you're a professional vlogger now? Whoa, 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 not so fast. While GoPros are great action cameras, they're not the best for vlogging unless you set it up properly. Today we're gonna go over a rig that I've come up with where you can actually turn your GoPro into quite the great vlogging setup camera. Let's start that right now. So yes, GoPros are improving. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The image quality and the audio quality on it is greatly improved over the previous models like the Hero 5 and the Hero 6. But it's still not gonna be your best all-around, all-in-one without any sort of equipment or accessories to make it a much better vlogging camera. I'm gonna go over that setup for you, and we're gonna start with the housing. You're gonna need to get yourself a housing for your GoPro so that you set up all your vlogging equipment. This little housing right here is gonna hold all the stuff that you need. So we've got the opening for the camera itself, we've got the bottom piece which is for your audio adapter, and then we can obviously mount it onto something. First things first, open this up, and this is your little back frame which is gonna hold the camera into place. The one thing I like about this setup is it doesn't have any sort of screw-in stuff to put your camera in, because a lot of those housings, they have it so your GoPro just screws right in, but I don't really like that because then you have to screw out stuff and take stuff apart to get to your memory card when you need to. The first thing you'll need to do is take off this little door right here, and then it's quite easy. All you do is just unlatch it and then just pull and it just comes right apart. So it just snaps right back in. It's very easy. It doesn't really break or anything. They're pretty strong. So take that off because you're gonna need to plug in your audio adapter into this. So we'll go ahead, we'll put the camera inside of the housing just like that. We've got the back piece which will just slide right into place and just lock right in just like that. And that will hold the camera nice and steady inside of there. So put your little door piece aside, and now we've got the camera in the housing. So what's next? You're gonna need yourself a tripod. This is a GoPro tripod, which I use. You can use lots of other different tripods. I'm actually gonna link below another tripod that I use, which I kind of prefer, but for the purpose of this video, this is really nice and small and easy to carry around. So we're gonna show you this one. Obviously it goes right onto there, and now you're gonna need to screw it in. So instead of these stock screw-in pieces that you can get with GoPros, the black ones, I picked up an aluminum one. I really like these ones. They're a lot stronger and they're also pretty light as well. We'll go ahead and screw it in. Nice and grippy to screw it in. It's not like that plasticky feel. Totally strong, and once it's in there, it's totally locked in. I love these. So now we've got that screwed in, you're gonna need to hook up your audio adapter, and this is the GoPro audio adapter. Now I know these are really kind of stupid. I wish GoPro would just put in a 3.5mm microphone jack into an actual GoPro so you wouldn't need this whole big adapter piece which has your USB-C and your audio adapter on here. So you can still charge your device when you actually have this plugged in if you need to. So this is where I really like this housing, because this housing has the dedicated spot for this audio adapter. So let's go ahead and install it. You're just gonna put your little wire piece in here first, and once you push it all the way through, it's just gonna sit just out just like that. So it's perfectly right within there. And then we're gonna plug your USB-C part. We can actually twist it, which is kind of cool, so it sits nicely. So once we've twisted it, it'll just sit just like that, which is really nice and neat. We don't have any other cords or anything. A lot of people will have this audio adapter kind of taped to the side of the housing, but that's why this housing is so amazing and so awesome to use, because it has that built right into it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stand this up right here, and now we're gonna need the microphone, which is the part which gives you the great audio. We'll grab this. We've got the Video Micro, and I've got the little fuzzy fur ball head on there. And this one will install right onto the top right here. And we'll just screw it down so it locks into place, right, just like that. And then we've got this little thing which is actually gonna plug right into the side right here. There we go, boom. So we've got that on the side. Now, you've got your professional vlogging setup. It's still small, it's still light. You've got excellent audio quality, plus the tripod piece will allow you to put it down. So if you wanna put it down, you can vlog somewhere as well. So it's a super amazing, handy rig and setup. I will link everything down below so you can actually build this rig if you want yourself. But let's go ahead outside and let's test out this rig so you guys can see what it looks and sounds like. I'll see you outside. Okay guys, we are outside testing the vlog rig that we built. I'm holding the tripod itself as my little handle piece, and then we've got the Rode Video Micro that's plugged into our Rode audio adapter, and that's obviously plugged into the GoPro itself. So you can see the sound itself, it's pretty good. We've got the Wind Dead Cat, which is obviously on our microphone right there to cancel out all the wind. It's a little bit windy, so it might be working pretty well. We're gonna unplug the microphone now, so we're gonna see what the sound sounds like on the GoPro itself without our audio setup. Let's go ahead and unplug that. Boom, there we go. So now you can hear what the sound sounds like from the GoPro itself. You can hear that it's picking up a lot of the wind sound. It's a really muffled sound. It doesn't have that bass to it, which we get from the microphone itself. So it's obviously a lot better to have a microphone on your GoPro rig set up. Let's go ahead and plug the microphone back in. There we go, microphone plugged back in, so you can hear the sound difference. It's amazing the sound difference you get with this rig setup. So if you're vlogging with your GoPro, you have to use a setup like this. Otherwise your audio is just gonna be horrible. It's not gonna be as portable. It's just a lot easier to have a rig set up like this. And remember, people appreciate good audio. If you have bad audio, people are not gonna watch your videos. All right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. I appreciate you guys' support, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.